Tamuh on the beat once again. Today is Father's Day. Everyone is celebrating their fathers, holding their hands, taking pictures, saying thank you, Dad. But me, I never got that chance. I was only 1 year old when death took you away. The family always said, vakakuonaise munu aneramangwana rakajeka vakakuitira igodo. You sacrificed everything for your brothers,
your sisters,
your family.
Yet today
you are only a memory. Dad, this song is for you. I never heard you call my name, never walked beside your frame. 1 year old, too young to understand. Now I'm a grown man, still reaching for your hand. They say you carried everyone, you gave until your strength was gone. You loved your brothers, you loved your sisters too, never knowing life would end so soon for you. Sometimes I ask the Lord above, why did I lose my father's love? Would my story be different today if you had never gone away? Father, can you hear me in heaven? Nasi Father's Day, misozi yangu inoyerera. I still wonder what life would have looked like with you. They say jealousy surrounded your life, that people couldn't bear your bright future. Whether true or not, the pain of losing you is real, Baba. Dino kushubai. Today I'm standing as a teacher, trying hard to change young lives. The salary is small, but I still keep the dream alive. Sometimes I wonder, would you have opened bigger doors? Would I have become everything I hoped for? Still I refuse to quit, because your blood runs through my veins. Your dreams didn't die, they live inside my name. Baba handina kukuzibai,
asindino kodai.
Mufana nizo wenyu chete, dino chegeta mumoyo. Kana vanu vakakuitira igodo,
Mwari ndivo vanoziva chokwadi.
ini handizo rarami neruvengo.
Asindi chararama nerudo.
Nekutenda kuti Mwari vachandisimuza. Today I cry,
But tomorrow I'll rise,
your son will keep moving,
moving.
your son will keep believing. One day, when my journey is done,
I'll tell you,
Dad, I made it. Happy Father's Day to my Father in heaven. I love you until we meet again. Tamuh on the beat once again.